Jared here with Omnivore Blade Works. Y'all like sharp things? This is a modification on my Jackal Tomahawk, and hopefully in this light you can see the way it's ground. It's got a front spike that goes down to a nice sharp tiger claw point, and then up underneath is sharp, and on this main front edge is sharp, and then this beard hook area, that little bevel could be sharpened as well. The top is done to about, it's just a false edge on top, but it would cut and then allow you to do ridge hand strikes if you choke up on the tomahawk. So you'd be able to whittle and ridge hand strike and then transition to a longer, powerful grip this way. You can see that the grip is got a little offset curve around the hole in the head, and then when your hand comes up in there, it's a pretty natural feel, so you have a nice purchase for impact from the side. So this is the Jackal front spike with I guess the long handle. Don't really have a name for this particular version. Only one of these right now, but I just wanted to show a customer who's interested in a front spike tomahawk. I think this is a little bit more useful maybe for the typical purpose that front spike tomahawks are used for versus the underhook regular Jackal blade geometry that I have, which is kind of limited because you can't choke up on it, and for a close quarters combat scenario you don't really want to cut your fingers off by accident. So I put the logo on the handle for this because there's just not enough real estate on the head when the handle is covering up that part. The sheath is pretty simple. It's got a couple of Chicago screws on the back, and then eyelets and a spacer in the front so you can't cut through the rivets, and also retains the spike up here, so it just goes in and locks, and it's rigid. If you're pulling forward on it, it's rigid. You have to pull out like that, so down and away from this front spike. So it's fairly secure if you're going to put it in a pack or maybe even on a pack vest. You could also loop some kind of locking mechanism back underneath the spike side. Alright, just thought I'd tell you about this. See you next time.